remember a little boy lost in the market. Tears streaming, heart racing. And he was crying. "Mommy! Mommy!" Crowds passed by, but no one stopped. Until a woman came running, her face wet with tears, her voice trembling. And when she found him, she didn't scold. She didn't ask why he strayed. She simply fell to her knees, held him close, and whispered, "You are mine. You were lost, but now you are found." Suddenly I understand that God's love not waiting for me to come back to him, but coming after me even when I couldn't. That's why sometimes when people tell me that they are falling in love, I tell them, you don't know what it means to fall in love. When God fell in love with mankind, he fell from heaven to the cross. As if that was not enough, he fell from the cross to hell. And when he was done defeating the devil, he opened the earth as a man opened his door in the morning, and love pulled him out. He walked away victoriously with the blood of eternal covenant for our salvation. Heaven is his throne and the earth is his footstool, yet he bends so low that even the cry of an ant echoes in his heart. The last time I checked, he was living inside of me, and I wonder, how can this God so big shrink to fit my fragile chest? No, can someone tell me the name of the slim tea that he's taking? Because it's only love that could stretch itself, this thing, just to become flesh, just to walk among men. He is the rock of ages, yet his heart soft like today's bread, fresh, warm, and broken to feed my hunger. Can you tell me, what kind of God leave his throne just to chase dust like this one? I'm asking you, what kind of king dies so that slaves can become sons? So if you ask me to describe him, I will simply say he's too big for word, yet small enough to live in me. He calls galaxies by name, yet still whispers my own, as it's only one that worth saying. He paints the skies with sunrise and sunset, but still finds time to color my scars with mercy. Love so high, heaven could not hold it. Love so deep, the grave could not restrain him. Love so wide, my failures keep drowning in it. Love so personal, he carved my name in his palm, nail for ink and the cross for canvas. So this love is not mathematics. We can't calculate it. It's not economics. We can't really trade it. It's not philosophy. We can't explain it. But it's God, because God is love. So I want to tell you, I don't care what you are passing through. This love is bigger than you. It's bigger than what you are passing through. It's bigger than that challenge. If you understand the quantity and the quality of this love, even in the midst of that challenge, you will still sing, you will still dance. Yes, because all things work together for your good. That is if you believe in God. That is if you love God. I'm talking about love personified.